Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we'll talk about how to care for succulents. This video will explore everything you need and provide methods to care for succulents, so stick around for that. First, get the right pot and soil. Choosing an appropriate container is essential for growing indoor succulents. You need a porous pot that allows quick drying, making Terra Cotta pots your best bet. Avoid glass at all costs since it retains moisture and prevents airflow, increasing the risk of root rot. Once you have the right pot, fill it with well-draining soil. Standard potting soil holds too much water, making it unsuitable for succulents. However, you can modify it by adding sand or perlite to reduce compaction and increase drainage and aeration. Water when necessary. Succulents don't need too much water. The rule of thumb here is to water your plants when the soil dries. If you overwater, the leaves turn yellow, mushy, and translucent. They also fall off easily. Conversely, if you don't water your succulent, the leaves shrivel and the plant wrinkles. With that said, here's how to water a succulent. Fill a watering can with a small spout or squeeze bottle with water. Pour the water around the plant's base until the soil is saturated. Do not wet the leaves to prevent rotting. Drain the excess water. Regulate the light, temperature, and humidity. Most succulents need bright, indirect light for about 6 hours daily, while others, like aloe and echeveria, prefer direct sunlight. These do well in well-lit rooms with south or east-facing windows. In contrast, succulents like haworthia or snake plants prefer a partial shade. Additionally, most succulents thrive in warm temperatures of 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. These require to stay indoors during the winter months. Finally, most succulents prefer a 40 to 60% humidity since higher moisture levels cause rotting and wilting. Fertilize periodically. Indoor succulents require fertilization in the summer and spring to ensure healthy leaves. Choose a balanced liquid fertilizer with low nitrogen blends to avoid sacrificing good roots for bushy foliage. Here's how to apply the fertilizer. Dilute it in water according to the manufacturer's instructions. Put the mixture in a watering can and pour it on the plant's base. To avoid overwatering, incorporate this with your watering schedule. Prune and propagate your succulents. Pruning removes dead leaves, promotes growth, and shapes your succulent. Use sharp, sterilized shears or scissors to prune. On the other hand, propagating succulents helps you grow your garden. It's best done in the summer and spring. Here's how to do it. For leaf cuttings, gently wiggle or twist the healthy leaf until it comes off with the base. For stem cuttings, use sterile scissors or shears to cut the stem. Ensure it's a clean cut for successful propagation. Store the cutting in a warm, well-ventilated area for 4 days so callus forms. Moisten the soil in a tray and place the cuttings on it. Ensure the callus is in contact with the soil before placing the tray in a warm location that receives bright, indirect light. After 4 weeks, roots will start forming. When you see this, spray some water on the roots. After a few months, transfer the young succulents to individual pots. Finally, manage pests. Succulents are susceptible to mealybugs, aphids, scale insects, and spider mites. These suck the sap, which causes discoloration and stunted growth. To eradicate these pests, dip a Q-tip in rubbing alcohol and remove them. Alternatively, spray a mixture of neem oil and water. So there you have it. These steps will help you care for succulents. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure to drop them below and like this video. Till next time.